Hey guys, I'm reporting live from my bathroom today. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I'm Marguerite. For any of you who are new, welcome. So I'm going to show you how I wash my makeup brushes. I think this is very important for you guys to do. Now, I am definitely not the best at religiously cleaning my brushes. It's probably realistically good to do every, I don't know, they probably say every week. It depends if you use that same brush every day, then maybe every Sunday you do want to disinfect it, because if you're using dirty brushes all the time, that can spread bacteria around and you can actually keep clogging your pores, which can make you break out, you know? And that's not good. But realistically, I clean mine about once a month. Usually when I'm done, I'll sanitize it with this alcohol, with the alcohol spray that I have, just to kill any bacteria. I do have a lot of extra brushes that I'll use, and I'll just pile up my bag of dirty brushes. So this is my bag of dirty brushes that I will be cleaning today. I'm just going to demonstrate a couple for you guys, just for all of our sanity. But I'm going to show you how to do the beauty blender and just a couple brushes. So number one, what I use is just this old bar of soap, but this is not any bar of soap. This is the by Shea Moisture, the Black African soap. So this is very good, especially for acne prone skin. This isn't gonna break you out. This is very good to sanitize your brushes. And my friend actually recommended that I use this, and I think she said she saw that this is what Stephanie Nicole uses when she cleans her brushes, but I haven't seen that video yet. This is the easiest way to clean it. And I do recommend not using a Dove bar of soap, because it's just very dry and it doesn't have the best ingredients in it, even though most people think that's pure soap, but it's very drying. So this is very moisturizing, but it is going to disinfect your brushes and get all the makeup off. You can get this from Target, Ulta, Amazon. It's $5 for this bar of soap. It smells good. It lasts a while. So what I'll do is let me just show you. First, roll up those sleeves. Might get wet. And next, turn on water. You want warm water, warm to cool, cool to warm water. You do not want hot, it's bad for your brushes. You want to be very gentle with your brushes, by the way. Grab your brush. Let's see, I'll start with this one by Sonia Kashuk. And I'm going to wet the brush. So you're gonna wet the brush. And then I usually wet the bar of soap, just so it can lather more. And I always hold the bar of soap in my hand. You can put it by your sink and work from there, but I hold it in my hand and then just start massaging the brush around on the bar of soap for just like 10 seconds. And you can see a lot of makeup residue went onto the brush. Then turn on the water, and then with my hand under the running water in the brush, then I massage it in my hand, and that gets all the makeup out. And you'll see it going down into the sink, to the drain. So here I go. And you know, if you have a lot of makeup on that brush, you can definitely repeat. But this kind of washes all that off my hand. And you know, you want to rinse out any water and try to rub as gently as you can for the brush's sake. But see, all the makeup is out of that. And then I'll always, you know, get a towel to just gently go over in circular motions, just to bring the bristles back how you want them. And then, you know, kind of reshape the bristles. And I always put this on my sink and usually lay the brush out to dry right there on the sink. So let me zoom in so you can really see this. And I'll show you a couple more, and I'll show you how I did the beauty blender as well. Okay, so let me zoom in. Okay, so same thing. First, wet your brush, and then take your bar of soap, and then start massaging the brush just on the bar of soap. It can get a little slippery, but that's okay. And after about 10 seconds, you know, you can wash off the residue on the bar of soap. You don't want like too fast running water. You want it as gentle as you can for the bristle heads. To start gently massaging back and forth and backward in circular motions, and that should get it all out. And when you're done, squeeze out all the excess water, and then you can reshape. You can pat the brush dry and reshape it and lay it down on your towel. Same thing with a beauty blender. So you're gonna wanna squeeze it to get it wet. And then with it wet, usually I'll have to really create a lather, I have to do this under running water at first. But you want to start massaging it, and you'll see it will start creating a lather to cover the whole thing. And then once you think it's all covered with soap, then I just start squeezing it, and you'll see like all the foundation and bronzer and stuff will come out, and just keep squeezing it. And that'll also, you know, like massage the soap into it just to make sure you're really getting it all. So squeeze it a couple times, you know, run it around your finger, depending on how pigmented the foundation is, and to really get it all out. And then under running water, just keep squeezing it. But you want to just keep squeezing it under running water till you notice all of the soap comes out. So like fill it up, squeeze it out. 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 This might take a good minute. Fill it up, squeeze it out. Fill it up, squeeze it out. And it might take you a good minute to get all of that out, all the soap out. That's okay. So next up, I'm going to show you an eyeshadow brush. Okay, so these are easier to do. You got your eyeshadow brush, wet it, take your bar of soap, and under running water, I'll just go like that till it starts to lather. Ooh, that's dirty. And then for about 5 to 10 seconds, you want to go all over the bar of soap. And you'll notice all the eyeshadow coming off. And then under running water, then I go in circular and backwards circular motions under the running water over my hand, and that gets it all off. So same thing, la 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 la, doesn't matter what kind of brush you have. It will all do the same job. You know, you can really want to coat it with that soap. Now we'll rinse it off and you will be good to go. And it smells quite heavenly. Rinse it off. Rinse all that off. And then refluff it on your brush. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Bring it out. You know, there's special like drying racks for your brushes. I don't have that. I just lay it on this towel. And it's good to go in the morning. Really, it's good to go. No need for this fancy crap. You just need your bar of soap. You're good to go. So I hope you get the gist of it. Oh, what? My towel, my brushes just fell. So I hope you get the gist of how to wash your brushes. I used to just use Dawn soap and a little olive oil, and I actually have this really fancy brush cleansing mat that has like all these different ridges depending on the different size of the brush. And you know, you pour the soap over, a little of the soap over, and then massage the brush into the brush cleansing mat. That took a lot of time, and I would use a lot of my Dawn soap, and I would find that Dawn is just kind of drying on my makeup brushes. Yes, it's good at cutting through that makeup grease and crap and getting all the makeup out of your brushes, but it was just, I think, a little harsh for my brushes. So I really am happy with this bar of soap, and I think this is a really good method for cleansing your brushes. It lasts forever and it's very sanitary. Black African soap is very good for your skin, so it's good for your brushes. It's not going to leave a weird residue, and it's not going to break your skin out, you know, if any residue were to be left onto the brush. So I'm very pleased with that. Again, you can get it at Target, Ulta, I believe any drugstore carries it. Like I think Walgreens, CVS carry it, Walmart. It's the Shea Moisture Black African soap. So yeah, what do you guys think of this video? I hope this is very easy. I know I didn't do more brushes, but I think I covered the gist of it. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know how you wash your brushes, and if you found a great way to wash your brushes and what you use. I would love to know, but just keep in mind it is very important to wash and sanitize your makeup brushes, because if you are using the same brush every day, then bacteria will start to grow on that, and then you're just putting that on your face, spreading it around, which can make you break out more. So it's just good you know, same reason you wash your hair, you wash your body. You want to be clean. You want to clean your makeup brushes. So it's very easy to do. Do it on like a Sunday night. Wash all your brushes, lay them out on a towel by your sink or in your bathroom, and let them dry overnight, and you'll be good to go in the morning. So yeah, that's another good tip. Do it in the PM time, and they should be dry in the morning time. Just try to be very careful and gentle with your brushes. You know, if it's a cheap brush, you'll definitely notice hairs coming out and breakage, but there's nothing you can do about that. Cheap brush, cheap quality. Yeah, but I think the Black African soap's very gentle on the brush head, so you're good to go. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in another one of my videos. Sure do appreciate you. Bye.